Hi, today we will be talking about how zNose can help in environmental hazard remediation. The electronic nose technology, or the eNose, is being largely used for environmental scanning, which is basically an array of sensors simulating the human olfactory response. But, in the recent past, there is a new disruptive technology that works on a combination of solid-state integrating GC detector and single, non-specific surface acoustic wave, that is SAW mass detector, called the zNose. There are numerous ways in which the zNose holds advantage over eNose. eNoses that uses uncorrelated sensor arrays only produce chaotic patterns that cannot be recognized except with sophisticated computer software. Hence, it is unable to speciate, while this is very much possible with zNose. zNose, as a technology, has been verified by the United States EPA Environmental Technology Verification. zNose is able to speciate chemical vapors with precision, accuracy, and 10-second speed, against the eNose, which has a low precision, accuracy, and speed ranging in minutes. The zNose involves human intelligence, as compared to eNose with artificial intelligence. Unlike chemically coded sensors, which are known for their instability, the solid-state GC detector is able to maintain calibration for months. Finally, the zNose is able to produce high-resolution visual olfactory images, which can be easily recognized by human operators. The next point of discussion is, how does zNose work for environmental testing? Here is a step-by-step diagram that provides more details on how zNose monitor the environmental elements. To start with, input vapors, odors, smells, or fragrances from either air, water, or solids enter the system. In the next step, the input is pre-concentrated for a carefully measured period of time. In step 3, the concentrated vapors are injected as a short pulse into a temperature-programmed capillary column. In the last step, the dispersed column effluent then passes to a SAW integrating detector, which records the time and amount of each chemical response. Here are two key environmental testing use cases where zNose plays an important role. The ability to evaluate environmental pollution with precision and accuracy on field in seconds allows the zNose to analyze hundreds of samples per day on site. The first use case is measuring the pollution level through detailed air, water and soil analysis. Gas detection 5OC capabilities can be applied to chemical analysis of air, water and soil for odor management and remediation projects. The second use case is odor management. In odor management, providing the chemical analysis so that odor management solutions can be more easily identified as a key application of the zNose. In order to showcase the practical application of zNose, here is a simple analysis that involves a typical zNose measurement of a mixture of BTEX. In this process, a tiddler bag is filled with a known concentration of benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene, and xylene, which is known chemically as the BTEX vapor. As GC, SAW can separate and speciate the individual analytes, calibration can be performed using a single measurement of a mixture of standard analyte concentrations. So, the needle of the zNose was inserted in the tiddler bag, and here are some results from the measurement. The lower trace shows the frequency of the SAW detector and the upper trace displays the derivative of frequency. A series of 7 identical measurements were performed on the tiddler bag, containing a concentration of BTEX vapors spanning 182 to 364 ppb. Key observations of these analyses were: for toluene, ethylbenzene, and xylene, the MDLs were less than 10 ppb. For benzene, the MDL was approximately 20 ppb. So, there can be numerous such applications of the zNose in remediation of environmental hazards, whether in air, soil, or water. Electronic Sensor Technology, has developed and patented this breakthrough electronic nose technology, trademarked as zNose, which complements existing security systems and eliminates the vulnerabilities associated with current trace and X-ray detection systems. For more information, please visit our website www.estcal.com. In case you would like to know more about Electronic Sensor Technology's flagship product, zNose, please send us an email to italib@estcal.com or call us on 805-214-1873.